guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna do a glowy makeup look and I did my skincare off camera, so without any delay, let's begin. To achieve that glowy look, I mixed some highlighter with my foundation today. I am applying the foundation in dots and I will blend it out with the help of a makeup sponge. Now I am applying a peachy blush right on top of my cheekbones to kind of have a lifted face look. Now I am applying some highlighter on my high points. Adding some glitter to my eyes. For lipstick, today I am applying this red shade and I really love this shade. Here is the final look, guys. I hope you have fun watching this. See you in my next video. Bye.